Are you trying to move money from your GO2 bank account to Cash App but don't know where to start? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to link your GO2 bank account and transfer funds step by step. Stick around because by the end, you'll be sending money to Cash App with ease. No confusion, no guesswork. Step 1. Linking GO2 bank to Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. Next, go to Linked Banks and select Link Debit Card. If you don't have your card handy, no problem. Just tap No Card to search for your bank. Hit Continue, type in GO2bank in the search bar, and select it from the list. Now, log in using your GO2bank online banking username and password. This step securely connects your bank account to Cash App. Once you see the confirmation, you're good to go. Step 2. Transferring money to Cash App. With your account linked, tap on the bank icon or the Money tab in the bottom left of the app. Select Add Cash. You'll see a few preset amounts, but you can also tap the 3 dots to type in a custom amount. Once you've entered how much you want to transfer, tap Add at the bottom of the screen. The funds will be pulled directly from your GO2 bank account and instantly show up in your Cash App balance. Ready to use. Key tip. This process works even if you don't have your GO2bank debit card. See, as long as you can log into your account, you can connect and transfer money. Plus, once it's set up, future transfers are just a couple of taps away. And that's it. Your GO2bank is now linked and your money is ready in Cash App. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick finance tutorials. And if you want more money saving tips, check out the special links in the description below.